In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through adding contacts to your Surveymonkey account step by step. Surveymonkey is a powerful tool for creating surveys and understanding your audience, but before you can reach your respondents, you need to make sure your contacts are set up correctly. Let's dive in. First things first, open your browser and head over to the Surveymonkey homepage. Once you're there, look for the projects section on the homepage. This is your main hub where you can see all your ongoing surveys and manage various tasks related to them. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already, as it's central to your Surveymonkey experience. Next, to access your contacts, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Simply click on your username or profile icon. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu filled with different options. From this drop-down, look for and click on the option labeled Contacts. This will take you to the address book section, where you can manage your list of contacts. Once you're in the contacts section, you have a couple of options for adding new contacts. For this tutorial, we will focus on adding a single contact. Look for the option or button labeled Add Single Contact and click it. This will open up a new section where you can input the necessary details for your contact. Now it's time to fill in the contact information. First, enter the name of the person or entity you're adding. Next, input the email address associated with this contact. Be sure the email address is entered correctly to avoid any issues later when sending out surveys. You'll also notice options to either add custom data or add to a group, which are optional. Choosing Add Custom Data can be particularly useful if you need to include additional details about your contact that could be relevant to future surveys or interactions. If you have existing groups, adding contacts to a specific group may help with organizing and targeting specific audiences more effectively. Finally, with all the information added, the last step is to click on the Add Contacts button. Once you do that, your new contact will be saved and they will be ready for any future communication or surveys you plan to distribute. And that's it. You've just successfully added a contact to your address book in Surveymonkey. Remember, keeping your contact list organized is key to effective survey distribution and data collection. So feel free to explore and make use of the additional features like creating groups or adding custom data as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching and happy surveying!